get some exercise, get up there. But that being said, I'm gonna spike many here that I want to use once I get up there.